Alright, doing some work on the old Onan W2C generator tonight. Got the cylinders off here. Had a cracked cylinder head and a very rusty bore. Forward piston there, cylinder was rusty. Cylinders are over on the mill getting bored for a sleeve at the moment. Bore was 3 inches. We're going to bore to 3/125, install a sleeve and a sleeve back to 3 inches. Let's go check out over the mill there. Motivation. This is the second cut. Got a new cutter going from last night, much smoother. Another 4 cuts or so should be right there.